Navigate here to access the Rapaport price lists. Rapaport price lists are published for both round and pear-shaped diamonds. The pear-shaped list is used as an indication for all fancy-shaped diamonds. Price lists are available in PDF format, in US dollars or rupees. Prices are also available in other formats. A crucial companion to the Rapaport price list is the RapNet price list, which is a weekly publication that shows the best and average asking prices for diamonds listed for sale on RapNet by independent sellers. The RapNet price list, along with the Rap indices, are crucial supplements to the Rapaport price list. Both sets of information provide real trading statistics from the previous week of transactions on RapNet. The price lists are also available on the RapNet mobile app, and you can be notified as soon as they are published.